In this video, I show you how to fix tap to return to call connecting Instagram problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Instagram, tap on Instagram, up to date your Instagram app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Instagram, tap on force stop, tap on OK, then storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now tap on permission, allow camera permission, allow microphone permission, allow phone permission. Now open your Instagram app. Now I hope that this method fixed tap to return to call connecting Instagram problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.